This could really injure somebody. I'm somebody. I like doing my wig caps like this now because instead of having to sew down the back or, you know, make sure that your little braid's not hanging out, I could just tuck it like this, and this holds it tight enough when I just put this little piece back. So yeah, I seen somebody do that a while ago, and now that's how I do my wig caps, and y'all, it works the best for me. My wig cap is never lifting, my braids never hanging out. I love that for me. And I just push it back like that so you can't see it. Put on my makeup, period. Going in with my Ruby Kisses cream foundation. Honestly, y'all, I might need a darker shade than this. I'm using this one. They really look similar, and like this would match in this area, and my forehead's darker, so that's why I'm using the darker one up there. But I might need something even darker because it's like dark up there compared to right here, and like, you know, you see it. So we'll see how this looks. If I need to add some darker foundation, no problem. So I'm using this foundation. Honestly, these two are my go-tos that I use. Don't use your foundation on your lace, or do, but I just think that's a waste of money because foundation is expensive. Like, the good stuff that you want to use on your face is expensive, so I'll be using my little cheap foundations. I got me some bubble tea, y'all. Some brown sugar milk tea. BSMT, brown sugar milk tea, boba, brown sugar boba, no ice. It's so good. That blends in kind of good with my hand. Let's see how it looks on my wig cap. It still looks a little light. Like, my forehead is just dark, so yeah, it needs to be a little bit darker. Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless and Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation. This is not a HD or transparent lace, for one, so make sure you use a foundation that is the right color and matches your complexion, because yeah, I think that's always one of the trickiest parts. Like, it's just getting it to match. Let's see. But I think I did pretty good. always hate cutting my lace because I be feeling like I'm wasting it or something, but yeah. Okay, that looks good so far. Look, y'all, it's already coming together. Be careful. Be careful. So now I'm gonna do this side. Y'all, this hair looks good already. Like, ooh, look at it. It's already giving like, not too much. Just be careful. Like that, boom, boom. That's my dog. Just cutting my lace. I'm gonna cut it into 4 sections, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So everything looks good. The sides. My hairline is very funny. My natural hairline is like this, and then it comes out right here, and then my hairline goes back. Like, my hairline goes back right here. Look. It goes back, and then it comes forward. Now, this wig is the opposite. This wig comes forward right here, and then goes back, and then comes back out. So, I don't like cutting my lace because that takes away from, like, the length of the lace, and it, like, if you cut too much, it's gonna look too small, like, so. I just went in with some of this cheese silk infusion on my hair to help it be silky. You know, we want to give it. Shit, I almost knocked over the flat iron. But we want to give the girls silk press. You know, silky, smooth. And I always try not to put too much of this because sometimes it do be looking greasy. So let me see. I might need to get a towel and wipe my hair. It might be a little bit too much up there. Okay, I think that might be okay.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
I'm gonna go with my mini iron to curl my baby hairs. Okay, y'all, so I'm kind of running out of storage, so I'm gonna go quick. But yeah, I curled my baby hairs. I'm about to lay them now with a little bit of got to be glued and mousse. So let's do that. And I'm gonna speed this up so I can save my storage. So I'm just gonna spray it and then lay them down. So I'm gonna give this wig a little bit of personality and make it frame my face just a little bit better. I'm just gonna cut a little bit, not a lot. I'm gonna go in with this to help lay it down some more. It's giving. Y'all, I keep dropping the flat iron in the hot comb. yeah, let's get into it. So, y'all, the hair looks really good. Oh my god, the hair is so soft, silky, bouncy. Look at that. Look at the luster, like. And then 24 inches. I think this is giving 24 inches. Like, it's pretty long. And I'm tall, y'all. I'm like 5'7", so yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all the finished product. This is what it's giving so far. Like, yeah, get into it. It eats every time.